In this video, I will speak about the presence in natal charts of planets of separation or planetary combinations leading to separation among family members, between couples, and also between life partners or business partners. Now, let us see how these separative planets operate in natal charts. First of all, what are the planets of separation? Sun, Saturn, Rahu, and also Lord of the 12th house are called planets of separation. When there is heavy influence of separation planets on a particular house, the native will be separated from the traits of that particular house. For example, there is heavy influence of separation planets on Lagna. The native will be separated from his health. That means he may not be having good health. For example, if there is more influence of separation planets on the second house, the native will be separated from the family members. If there is heavy influence of separation planets on 7th house and its lord, and also Venus, in case of male charts, the native will be separated from his life partner. And in female charts, if there is heavy influence of separation planets on the 7th house and its lord, and also on Jupiter, the native will be separated from her life partner. And to experience the results of separation, there should be the influence of at least 2 or more separation planets on a particular house. Let us see how the planets of separation operate their influence on the 7th house. We will see now how these influences operate on individuals. Now, take a look at this chart. This belongs to a female. You will find out that Lagna is Cancer and the 7th house lord is Saturn. Saturn is situated in the 10th house with Mercury, lord of 12th house, and Sun, lord of 2nd house. Sun, though lord of 2nd house, is a planet of separation. This means Saturn, representing conjugal happiness, representing married life, representing life partner, is associated with 2 planets of separation. They are Sun and lord of 12th house Mercury. Now, Jupiter, representing husband in female charts. And of course, this is the chart of a female. Jupiter is receiving the aspect of Rahu, which is also a planet of separation. Again, 7th house is also under the aspect of Saturn, which is a planet of separation. You may ask, Saturn owns the house, the 7th house, hosted by Capricorn. But that is quite different. Saturn, though it is the lord of 7th house, it never loses its quality of separation. As a natural planet of separation, it is throwing its influence on the 7th house. Now, Jupiter, which is receiving the aspect of separation planet Rahu, throws its retrograde influence on 7th house. This means the 7th house and the 7th lord Saturn are under the influence of planets of separation. This lady after marriage is separated. Take a look at the other chart now. This one belongs to a male and the Lagna is Sagittarius. That means the 7th house falls in Gemini, right? There is a planet of separation, Mars, lord of 12th house, in the 6th house. Again, there are 2 planets of separation in the 8th house, Saturn and Sun. That means the seventh house is surrounded by the planets of separation. Take a detailed look at the chart. Seventh house lord is Mercury and Karka for wife is Venus. Both are together situated in the ninth house. Okay, now see Mars. Mars sitting in the sixth house is throwing its fourth aspect on the two planets. Mars as lord of 12th house is a planet of separation, as I told you already. Mars is influencing both Mercury, 7th lord, and Venus, significator of the marriage. So, the influence of separation on 7th house and its lord, and also on Venus, is lock, stock and barrel. Hence, divorce took place. This man, soon after marriage, divorced his wife due to plethora of reasons. The reasons may be different. Since there is a heavy influence of separation on the 7th house, separation took place. Now, take a look at another chart. This is also of a male who divorced his wife immediately after the marriage. See, the Lagna is Pisces, that is Meena. The 7th house falls in Virgo, Kanya. Now, in 6th house, Saturn is there. In 7th house, Rahu is there. In 8th house, Venus and Sun are present. Now, Saturn here becomes the representative of separation twice. That means he becomes a double representative of separation because he is a natural planet of separation, and again he is also the lord of 12th house. Right? Again, planet of separation Rahu, a shadowy planet, is sitting in the 7th house. In the 8th house, Sun, another planet of separation, is also sitting. Now, the influence of separation is complete on 7th house and also on Venus. Here is another chart of a female. Now please take a look. The Lagna is Scorpio, that is Vrishikam, and the 7th house lord Venus, and marriage signifier for girls Jupiter, both are together in the 12th house, house of separation. Saturn is sitting in 6th house in debilitation and throwing its influence on the 12th house and also on Venus and Jupiter. Rahu is also throwing its 9th influence on Venus and Jupiter. Again, Sun is also situated there. As I told you, Sun is also planet of separation. If you observe closely, Saturn is in retrogression and throws its retrograde aspect on the 7th house. That means 7th house is also under attack from separative planets. That's why this lady was divorced soon after marriage. So, when there is heavy influence of separation planets on a particular house, the native will be separated from the traits of that particular house. Suppose there is heavy separative influence on 10th house. If the native is a government employee, he or she may face frequent transfers. If there is separative influence on 4th house also, the native would never be able to stay at home due to frequent transfers. Similarly, if the 4th house lord and moon are under the influence of separation planets exclusively, the native would be separated from mother.